Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out the station map on the Petrol Prices application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the map button down below, which is the third option, and here you can see the map including the petrol stations, and if you are interested in any of these, just tap on the relevant icon and tap on it and you will be able to check out the exact location on the map. Here you can see the petrol prices, you can add it to your favorite, add the notification, compare prices, get directions, or add to Siri as well. And basically that's how you can browse on the map. You can compare several petrol stations to each other, their prices, and add them to your favorites so that you will be able to find them more easily in the future. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.